Take a ride in the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.